Please pay attention to the disclaimer being shown. Pass Taxi provides taxi training courses to new and existing taxi and private hire drivers to obtain and renew the license. This video will help new and existing taxi drivers to know and understand the meaning of common words and terminologies usually used in taxi training courses. Understanding the meanings of words explained in this video will increase the chances of completing taxi courses comfortably and quickly. We will explain 10 words with definition and an example for your better understanding in this video, and further 10 words same way in each of our next video to improve your English language level. Intoxicated. Intoxicated is being drunk or under the influence of drugs. For example, right decisions need to be made to ensure health and safety of intoxicated passengers while dealing with investigation. Investigation is a formal inquiry or systematic study. For example, save all the evidence and record all occurrence which may be used during investigation. After an accident. Involvement. Involvement is to be included in something. For example, any involvement of the taxi driver in making the passenger unsafe by any means will lead to an immediate suspension or revocation of the license. Judgment. Judgment is the ability of forming valuable opinions and making good decisions. For example, in some situations, for example dealing with lost property, taxi driver may need to make reasonable judgment and then take appropriate actions. Justify. Justify is a good and legitimate reason for something. For example, taxi drivers must carry an exemption certificate to justify their refusal to a passenger with a wheelchair or an assistance dog. Legislation. Legislation is the process of making and passing laws. For example, a taxi driver should follow the legislation imposed by the licensing authority. License suspension. License suspension is the act of temporarily taking away the license from the driver. For example, A taxi driver could face license suspension if the safety of the passenger and public is put at risk. License revocation. License revocation, the act of permanently taking away the license from the driver. For example, a taxi driver could face immediate license revocation if any serious harm is caused to the passenger or public. Maintenance. Maintenance is the process of keeping something in good condition. For example, a taxi driver should immediately take the licensed vehicle for maintenance if a serious defect is spotted. Medical form. Medical form is a form given to prove that the person is fit and proper for the job. For example, an approved medical form issued by the licensing authority must be used and signed by the GP before submission as part of application for license. Now it's your turn to write these words on your own and use them in different sentences as examples to understand these words and improve your English by your own. You can watch more of our videos on YouTube regarding health and safety and taxi training courses to learn more or refresh your existing knowledge. You can visit our website for more information at passtaxi.co.uk and follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.